What if Google Search, Google Docs, Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, and artificial intelligence work together as one intelligent assistant? That's exactly what Google Gemini is designed to do. Gemini is Google's family of AI models and AI assistant, built to help you learn, write, organize information, brainstorm ideas, and work across many Google services. But many people only use Gemini to ask simple questions. They miss its real potential. In this video, you'll learn what Google Gemini is, how it works, its biggest features, practical use cases, tips for better results, common mistakes, and how to use it more effectively in 2026. First, what is Google Gemini? Gemini is Google's AI assistant powered by advanced AI models. It understands natural language, answers questions, summarizes information, generates content, helps with coding, explains concepts, and assists with many everyday tasks. Depending on your account, Gemini can interact with Google apps like Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Drive, Calendar, Maps, and YouTube. It makes working across these services easier by organizing info and completing tasks efficiently. Students can use Gemini to understand topics, summarize chapters, create quizzes, generate study plans, explain math, improve writing, and brainstorm ideas. It's like having your own study assistant, but remember to verify facts and do your own learning. Creators can use Gemini to generate YouTube ideas, write blog outlines, brainstorm social posts, create marketing copy, suggest titles, improve grammar, and organize research. The creative spark comes from you. Office pros spend hours drafting emails, reports, summarizing meetings, and organizing docs. Gemini drafts and organizes content to help you focus on higher value work instead of repetitive tasks. Developers can ask Gemini to explain programming, review code, suggest improvements, generate examples, and understand docs. AI is your coding sidekick, but always double-check important code yourself. Gemini works best with clear instructions. Instead of write a report, write a 1,000-word beginner-friendly report about renewable energy using headings and simple language. Specific prompts get better results. Gemini is multimodal. It can handle text, images, and other inputs in supported experiences. This means you can ask questions about photos or documents and get smart answers. Avoid common mistakes. Don't expect perfect answers every time. AI can err. Avoid vague prompts. Never copy AI content without checking it, and don't share sensitive info. Always review and personalize your work. Imagine the future, AI assistants fully integrated in your workflow. No more app hopping, just describe your goal and the AI organizes, drafts, and summarizes for you. You still make the final call. Remember, Gemini isn't here to replace your skills, it helps you work smarter and faster. The real power comes from asking great questions, evaluating AI results, and mixing AI with why.